I trust you well. Yesterday I made a video about us voting for white people. I still maintain the same momentum. We need to vote for them. Personally, there are certain things I will never do. Some time ago, a lady offered me a job as a truck driver. When we discussed remuneration, I was like, and this is license, and my license is very expensive. Black people, they don't pay. You see on their statuses as your boss, your employer. You see on their statuses going to Maldives, going to Seychelles, Mauritius, whatever. When they're supposed to pay you, they pay you with excuses on the 7th of the following month. You agreed maybe 100 rand. He's going to give you 30 rand and say the 70 rand you will get it once the contract clears or whatever. Where was I when you were signing that contract? Black people don't pay each other. Look at black people who work for other black people. They are the most oppressed. The most oppressed. Yet you see your boss living a lavish lifestyle. White people, they will give you what you agreed upon, and they will also give you bonuses upon performance or whatever. They have a good salary scale. Your grandfather was working for government or Transnet. Before it became this nonsense of Transnet, it was Spoorweg. They were earning good money with only standard 3. Your mother became a teacher with Form 1. Now you're sitting with your degree and your master's and your experience, yet you are told you are old at 35. You still want to vote for these people? There is no way a black person can vote for ANC wholeheartedly unless they are waiting their turn to loot. Do away.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangibhoda send a message to bantu basemzansi uyasho ukuthi as bantu bala South Africans, we need to vote for i-white government because labantu abamnyama basicinzetela mawuvotela i-ANC uyacindzeteleka umsebenzi nawo uholi nakahle because abakhoni kubhadala babhadala nje kahle amasalary bona umuntu lokuqashile your manager, your boss bayaphuma bona batikhiphe baye kuma-vacations because bona bahola kahle while thina basiholela ma-peanuts but uthi belungu bayaholela and salary yabo it's always reasonable ke sana uyasho nje ukuthi yena he will always prefer kuvotela abantu labamhlophe kunebantu labamnyama labasicinzetelako bakutshela ukuthi uma sowungedulu kwa-35 years angeke basaqasha because umdzala kufanele baqashe kuphi uyohlala njani ungabe mdzala because asiyithola imisebenzi selokhu sihleli ngaze ube na-35 nje bakutshela kahle ukuthi awusaqualify so mdzala uyasho nje ukuthi yena he will always prefer kuvotela belungu kunebantu labamnyama so bantu abaningi bavumelene naye lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana siyeva ke lamalanga ukuthi vele it's like bantu abaningi they prefer belungu. People are even saying ukuthi maybe for a change we need a white president. What's your take on that? So please do comment it down your thoughts on the comment section. Subscribe or share this video. Mina nawe siyobonana kulenye lenhla letagi video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.